Good morning, Dr. Vikram.
Good morning.
Today we want to know something about skin problem, psoriasis.
Yeah.
How do you handle that with the Ayurveda?
Psoriasis is the complicated skin disorder, and you will be glad to know that only Ayurveda is a pathy in which it is mentioned that it can be cured permanently. It is a curable skin disorder in Ayurveda. It is called Ekushta in Ayurvedic medicine. Ekushta is actually there are different types of skin disorders, and Ekushta is one of them, that is psoriasis. And psoriasis can be controlled by using herbs which are blood purifiers. There are certain herbs which act like blood purifiers, and they help to get rid of this skin condition. But it is not that easy that within 1 month or 2 months it can be cured. It takes time, at least 9 months to 1 year, or sometimes 1.5 years to completely get rid of the disease. And one has to control, one has to make so many changes in his diet, one has to take the Ayurvedic herbs regularly, and this way one can get rid of this complicated skin disorder, psoriasis.
So, how according to Ayurveda, what herbs are useful in handling this disorder?
There are certain herbs, especially neem is one of them. Neem is what I recommend to my psoriasis patient especially for cleansing the blood. Another combination is called Navkarshik Churna. This Navkarshik is Nav means 9. Made up of 9 herbs, Navkarshik Churna. This powder combination is of 9 herbs, especially which are working on the liver, working on the blood, and cleansing the blood from inside out. Like Trifla, 3 herbs are there: Trifla, Harad, Baheda, Amla. It's also called Haritki, Babitki, and Amlaki. And Vacha is one of them. Manjista is one of them. This combination. Daru Haldi is another. And all these herbs, Manjista is there. All these 9 herbs are there. Giloy is one of them. Tinospora cordifolia. So these 9 herbs, they work together at the cellular level, at the at the blood level, at the liver level, to clean the blood properly and get rid of psoriasis.
Okay. And how long we need to use these herbs?
As I told you, it takes about 9 months to 1.5 years sometimes. But the results can be seen within 15-20 days, within 1 month. I give some oils also, like 777 oil, and to apply on the skin. And within 1 month, one can see the results. But actual time to get rid of the disease completely is like 9 months or 1 year. And
it is fully curable?
Yeah, it is fully curable. So many patients, they come to me. I recommend another herb called Kishore Gugul along with these two, with the neem and Navkarshik. I gave Kishore Guglu also, just because of the inflammation. There is inflammation involved in the skin, so I recommend that also.
So, what are the dietary changes a psoriatic patient need to follow with Ayurvedic herbs?
Psoriasis actually is happening more in the countries where there is too much diet consumed, like frozen food is consumed, and food which is very much preserved, full of preservatives. Frozen and packaged processed food is consumed, especially in countries like America, countries in Europe. They buy the food from the market shelves, from the stores, and they put it in their refrigerators for months, for days. I would recommend fresh food, vegetables and fruits and salads. This is what I would recommend for all psoriasis patients, especially the pumpkin juice is very good, coconut juice is very good, coconut water. This turnips and zucchini and gourds, the long gourds, the round gourds, bitter gourd, all these long gourds, which are very good. People, they consume a lot of yogurt. Yogurt should be avoided in this case. Even the dairy products, milk products and sweets, they should be avoided. fish and meat, they should also be avoided. All kind of beef and turkey or duck or whatever different type of chicken, all these things should be avoided. In case of alcohol, should be all the pitta aggravating foods, spices and alcohol, they should be avoided.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Vikram. It was nice to get all this information about psoriasis.
Thank you very much.